I'm AS1 Keenan, a paramedic with 612 Squadron Medical Reserves and also a paramedic in my civilian role working on Scotland's charity Air Ambulance. I've joined a squadron which has been very welcoming. I work with loads of different medical professionals and that's allowed me to kind of further progress my knowledge, skills, confidence, and actually has been vital for me to progress my civilian career. So I've actually recently kind of landed my dream job working on a helicopter air ambulance, and I think the skills and confidence I've gained from the RAF has provided absolutely invaluable for going on to do that. So I have a number of roles and responsibilities in the medical reserves. We specialise in area medical evacuation and deployed forward medical care, attending those patients critically ill and injured, both at home and overseas. As a paramedic in the reserves, the role's very diverse. We can do lots of different things, so we can attend those really unwell, ill and injured patients, but also those more minor and more common injuries, so we can really slot into a lot of different roles, which gives us a lot of opportunities as a paramedic to deploy overseas and at home. There's certainly a lot of demand for our skills, so there's a lot of opportunities here in 612. My workplace are very supportive of me being a medical reserve. I actually get 2 weeks of leave from my civilian employer to come and train with the RAF Medical Reserves, and they do that because they know that the skills and experience that I gain from here are invaluable to them, and I can bring those skills back to my employer and help to improve the service as a whole there as well. And being in the reserves has helped me climb through a number of different roles within my civilian employer as well. Both very supportive of one another, I would say.